Okay, here's my robot as revised, and we'll run it through its paces here. It's now just in its default mode, and we can do some walking with it. We'll zoom the camera out a little bit and look at his front walk and back walk, and a slide to the left and a slide to the right, and then a slide with a combination rotation. You notice when you give it any significant amount of rotational control input, it does over control the robot a little bit, and he tends to slam his tibia servos together. Now we can increase the speed with the right hand of the D button, so he can go, so his normal speed be about like that, but we can speed him up. Fast enough to drop his battery, let me correct that. I have his battery velcroed to the bottom. Obviously that's not the best connection around. So that's the faster speed. I'm going to go ahead and slow him down again. And we'll switch to the L1 movements. Now this is with the L1 switch. So he does hokey pokey here and to the front, stick his head in and take your head out, and the right, he is shake it all about, and the other movement is up and down. That's with the right joystick. And then we got the L2 movements. So he does the little tilt movement. We'll zoom in on that a little bit. He does that little tilt movement, and he does a raise up and a bow, so he's looking at you, and then he can bow, tilt to the right and left, and shake to the right and left. So he's got some dance moves in there too. Now he can go to one other gait. This is Gait 2. Let me zoom out for Gait 2 a little bit here, and that's the R3 button. Let's see, I must have toggled that off here. And we'll try the R3, this other gait. That's full control input right there with the speed increased all the way up, so I don't know exactly what that's about. But I'll toggle back to the first gate there, and we'll slow the speed down. And then he's got, let's see, there's this triangle which sits him down, I believe, or stands him back up again. So that's pretty much through the set of maneuvers. They look pretty good. I want to take my hat off to Zan and Kurt, the guys that came up with this control interface for the PS2, because it's really quite well done. I intend to try and put a layer on top of it to make this guy autonomous, so that I'll just put another board on there and replace that Botboardino board with something different and see if we can't make him do such things as obstacle avoidance, line following, this, that, and the other thing. Alright, that's it for this review.